Hcmc stock update today. So for the last trading session, the session of the 17th of October 2022, Hcmc lost 50%. So 313.4 million shares crossed the tape, which is regarded as above average. We know very well that the stock has been backcoding, but the news behind there was a news that came out. It didn't really change anything as such. It is that Hcmc has announced the acquisition of Green's Natural Foods with 8 stores located in the New York City suburbs and New Jersey. Okay, let's get that news. It says here that Green's Natural Food is a chain of premier natural foods stores offering organic and all natural products and vitamins from both top national brands as well as locally sourced specialty brands. Green's Natural Foods offers everything from organic produce, natural groceries, dietary supplements, and freshly prepared food. Green's Natural Food sells only USDA certified organic produce. So okay, they are getting into more organic stuff. So Jeffrey Holman is saying that Green's Natural Food significantly accelerates the expansion of their grocery segment. It is yet another step in solidifying their growth initiatives, and based upon past performance, they believe this acquisition should approximately double Hcmc's top line revenue, yet again bringing that revenue figure to approximately $60 million on an annualized basis. So this is also on top of the fact that we are still waiting for the implementation of the 4-point plan to increase shareholder value, which actually includes a buyback of up to $5 million worth of Hcmc common stock, a spin-off of certain Hcmc assets into a new company, which would also include this company they have acquired, this Green's Natural Foods. So the assets involved in that will be part of the new spin-off company is gradually increasing, if that's any positive. Okay, so, and also a stock dividend to Hcmc holders. So we're still waiting for all of that to be implemented. So I guess this is pretty much in line with that. Adding another asset on top of what's going to be spinned off. So fingers crossed. What we have seen also is that yes, this is the barcoding going on. We have evidently seen that. So if you are in doubt about that, this is also an evidence. You see here on Friday the 14th, the price crossed above the 200-day moving average and also above the 50-day moving average, and then on Monday they all crossed below those moving averages. The price crossed below the 50-day moving average and also below the 200-day moving average. So it's just a validation of what you're looking at there, if the barcoding. So Hcmc stock appears to be in a strong bearish trend. Shares are below a declining 200-day moving average. The MACD is beneath its signal line. It's also lagging the S&P 500. Momentum is improving. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors begin to purchase shares. Let's see, is that the case? For some reason we don't have that. Okay, momentum seems to be improving. Okay, so the volume for that last trading session, the session of the 17th, was lighter than usual, with 313.388 million shares versus an average of 599.191 million shares per day during the last 12 months. Okay, the unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of the indicator is negative and suggests that there is a lack of buying interest. Okay, momentum is improving, but there's also a lack of buying interest. So even though the volume for this session was lighter than the average volume for the last 12 months, it was also higher than the average volume for the last 10 trading sessions, and also the last 90 day trading, and the 90 trading sessions. Okay, so volatility you can see very, very high, 499.44, but not very many people can really get involved with the stock, especially as it concerns taking advantage of the volatility. But in any case, we have increased our position a little bit in the stock, and it's just a case of not even remembering to do so. So I don't recommend that you buy Hcmc stock, but the following is a strong one. Market people who are involved in it for a reason, and they don't really mind whether they are whether it's declining or it's been underperforming as it is. They have other ambitions they are pursuing. The case with the case against Philip Morris and all that stuff. So Hcmc acquiring yet another asset to add to its yet to be spinned off company. So that's Green Natural Foods, with 8 stores located in the New York City and suburbs, and New York City suburbs and New Jersey. So see what you make of Hcmc, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.